Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Sunday in the life reset. It has been a crazy weekend. Friday I worked all day and then actually went to a concert that night, and so Saturday was a very slow day. Did nothing, laid on the couch, watched Outer Banks, and although those days are needed and nice, I felt awful at the end of Saturday night. And I need to work on my mentality. But I know I just needed to clean the house, clean my room, clean my car, get back to the gym, get work done. I just need to get on my ish. And so you're gonna come along with me as we do all of that reset vlog. So I'm very excited. I think you guys are gonna like this one, and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. All right, let's get into the day. For this, I got a big order from Set Active. Sculpt Flex. I think this is the box bra and leggings in espresso, so it may look a little black, but it's actually a really dark brown, which I think is so pretty. I was wanting this color for months, and I finally decided to just go ahead and get it. And also got their socks, which are so cute. This was in not espresso, it's in a lighter color. Then I got their newest product. This is their new sport body fabric in their new shorty. It's called outfit. So it's like a tank top and biker shorts in one. I love this color. It's in the color polo, and I get a medium in all of their clothes, and they fit like a glove. And I've already put this on. I wore this to a concert actually with jean shorts on top. I wore this just like a tank top. Loved it. But now I'm going to put on my espresso set and get started with my Sunday. Set Active knows what to do. They make me feel so confident. They make me feel so good in their activewear. I was feeling really bleh. I haven't been to the gym in many days, and still they just feel so good on your body, hug all the right places. I love them. So my favorite company right now, has been for many months. I watch their stories and their founders' stories religiously. So I haven't really talked about my skincare routine recently, but I've actually been loving it. I've been using Curology since the beginning of 2021, and it is the perfect base skincare routine. And then I have a few little products that I've been adding in. So this is my all-time favorite sunscreen, and I wear this every day, year round. And it is Koola's Sun Silk Drops. I love them because it's literally like a liquid, and it just blends so nicely into your skin. It leaves no white cast or anything like that. And then recently, It Cosmetics sent me their new Bye Bye serums. So I have been using the Bye Bye Dullness Vitamin C Serum in the morning. It comes in, it's a cute little package like this. And then I've been using the Bye Bye Dark Spots. I've been using this serum in the evening, and they're so nice. They make my skin so glowy. So I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face. And I'm getting a facial on Wednesday. I haven't had a facial in years and years, and I'm so excited for it. Also, I like to put sunscreen, my leftover sunscreen, on the backs of my hands, because when you're driving, the sun is directly on your hands, and so you want to make sure you're protected. Also, I got this electric candle lighter on Amazon for $8. They were selling one at Anthropologie for $20, and I'm like, that is not worth it. And this one bends over, so it's really easy when your candles are low, and it's so much nicer than using a match. And you just charge it, and it works like that. I light it like this, and it's so cool actually. So it's mine and my boyfriend's 1-year anniversary on Tuesday, which is crazy, but I got him some gifts and he really wanted a new fishing rod, which I knew nothing about, so I went to Dick's Sporting Goods and the guy recommended this one. So I have the rod and then I bought him this reel, so I need to wrap it. And then I also got him this devotional from Amazon. Actually, I'll link it below if you have a man in your life that you want to get a little devotional for. I got a lot of good reviews. It's from this guy Tony Evans, who apparently really good. Thought this would be a nice gift, and I may see if I get him anything else today. We'll see. I need to wrap all of this. That's what I'm gonna do. There we go. I had just enough wrapping paper, which is so funny. I love this setup right now. Got my planner. I just got a brand new laptop case, so I put it on. It is gorgeous. I love how minimal it is. I'm really hoping that this like doesn't scratch and wear off. But what I wasn't expecting, I forgot that came with it, was a keyboard cover that matches. So I don't know if that's gonna get annoying or not, because I've had like keyboard covers in the past. And I don't know if having their faces on it is going to be annoying, but it's cute for now. And then I made myself a little matcha. It's looking a much prettier green on camera. We are now at the gym for the first time in almost a week because I had family in and it's just been a busy week. But guys, I found out I have 2 extra days of summer. I thought I started classes on August 23rd, but I think that was an old schedule and they redid it. And now I start back to school August 25th. And I'm so happy. Just that extra Monday, Tuesday. Being in Nashville, getting like prepped is going to be phenomenal. So I'm very excited for that. But let's go get a good workout in. I don't know yet what I'm doing. I should probably figure that out now. Jimmy just scared me. So I just got gas.
I scared you?
Yeah, you did. Now Jimmy and I are going to go to Kroger. Yeah. And we're gonna get some food to make dinner. So we also gotta figure out what we're gonna make for dinner. Just got back from Kroger. Just got a lot of greens because we have some stuff here that we can use for dinner. But this is a delicious dressing that we picked up. It's very simple, lemon garlic dressing. It's very good on top of like chicken and fish as well. Then we got some organic greens, mini purple potatoes. These are so cute and yummy. And then I got some things for juicing. So I got organic celery and ginger and green apple. I like doing just celery in a juice, but I thought these 3 together, like the green apple, would kind of X out the bitterness of ginger, but the ginger and the celery is what's really good for you. So I'm excited to make that into a juice, but yeah, just, it was quick little trip. Here's what we made for dinner. We did some tilapia with breadcrumbs on top, roasted purple potatoes, a little salad with avocado, tomato, and then drizzling this over kind of everything. So, Wes, I would recommend putting this sauce, even if you don't get salad, on the fish and potatoes, because it's a lemon garlic.
Mm-hmm. We got purple potatoes?
Yeah, Jimmy's never had them before. He said it looks like something off of Star Wars.
Yeah,
Said you're not wrong. Healthy little dinner. And for dessert, ta-da,